Yeah, alright, this is our Dyson floor vacuum cleaner. So what I want to show you is a little contraption I've rigged up. So obviously this is the hand tool wand which I've pulled out, and I've attached a spare hose, or you could take the hose off your DC-10. So I've got a spare hose that I've bent round into a circle, sort of 45 degrees or more. Taped it up to the rod. It's all temporarily because obviously we want to use it. Don't often clear the gutters, so the actual end pushes straight on nice and tight anyway, and then I put a bit of tape around it just to hold it in place. What I'm going to do, see it's all taped up on there, I'm going to use it to suck the stuff from the guttering. So if I move that over here, quite lucky because the extension isn't too far, and there's the guttering there, so it's doable. So what we do is we just stick the old vacuum outside the window, like so. And then it pops into the gutter like so. Just put that in the gutter. It's quite easy. And then just turn it on. So if I turn it on, already you can hear easy to use two hands. See all the stain sucking up. So you use two hands, just suck that up easy enough. So I'm just clearing the gutter doing that. So make sure I've got it in. There we go. And just move it on the gutter. It's a good looking picture, that is. Also ideal is you've got bungalows. There we go. A nice simple idea. Attaching the tube hose, vacuum hose to your Dyson, and then we've got a few in there. Obviously, once I get going, I'll get a few more in there, and that's a good way of clearing your gutter. So I hope you find that useful, and thank you for watching.